seen a lot of convertibles.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen in person a hardtop.
Right. Yeah, this was bought at Foreign Cars Italia in
Really?
'89. Yeah. And, so it was. I'm the third owner.
So, yeah. There you have it. Woo! Woo! Not bad. Freaking insane. I've actually never seen the engine of this thing actually open up like that.
And so she made them, and then I went up.
You can't see anything.
Oh no, that's just a truck.
Yeah, and I went up these little fixtures. They're made for boats. And I pulled them right through.
Bad.
And it had.
He's about to start it.
Yep.
Woo! Not bad. And it's getting even louder. What the fudge? My foot is vibrating. What is this BS? That's crazy. What do you guys think? This thing does have a pretty good sound when it comes to starting up and for a constant sound as well. Doors going down and boom. That's freaking insane, you guys. The sound of it, the sound of it. I mean, it's not like the G, it's not like the S, where the S sounds amazing. This still sounds awesome. Woo! But anyways, guys, I'm gonna have to end it right here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you guys did enjoy the video. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody. Peace out.